You've probably noticed tons of people talking about crypto and how exciting investing in digital money can be. It seems like everybody knows someone who's making money with Bitcoin or Ethereum, right? In this video, we're going to talk to you about everything you need to know to start investing in cryptocurrency, even if you've never tried it before. I'll explain how crypto works, I'll help you choose the best platform, and show you some simple ways to keep your investment safe. We'll also talk about different strategies people use to invest, the risks you should watch out for, and how to stay updated with all the changes in the crypto world. By the end, you'll have everything you need to decide if investing in cryptocurrency is right for you. So what exactly is cryptocurrency? Well, cryptocurrencies are digital types of money, kind of like the money that you have in your bank account, but there's a big difference. Crypto uses something called blockchain technology, which is a special system that keeps track of every transaction that makes sure your money is safe. Or at the very least, it makes sure that there is a public record of all of the transactions that have happened. Unlike regular money like dollars or euros, cryptocurrencies aren't controlled by banks or governments. Instead, they're managed by a group of computers that all work together, making the whole system fair and safe. The most famous crypto that I'm sure you've heard of by now is Bitcoin. There are many others like Ethereum, Litecoin, Solana, XRP. Each one has its own special uses and features, and people like crypto because it's easy to send money around the world. It's usually faster than using banks, and some people even see crypto as a good investment for the future. Now that we've covered what cryptocurrency is, let's talk about how you can actually start investing. To start your crypto journey, you'll need to pick a safe and easy to use platform. This is called a cryptocurrency exchange or broker. Think of this like choosing a bank, but specifically for your crypto money. There are popular platforms like Coinbase and Crypto.com that are perfect for beginners because they have simple designs and are helpful tools to get you started. Make sure to check the links below so you can start with Coinbase or Crypto.com and you'll get $50 in crypto for free just by signing up with those links. When picking your platform, always check that it has good reviews and offers strong security features like two-factor authentication, which helps you protect your account from hackers. It's also very important that your platform makes it very easy for you to buy, sell, or even trade cryptocurrencies. Some platforms charge fees on these transactions, so be sure to look out for those too. Once you've picked a reliable platform, it's time to choose which cryptocurrencies to invest in first. Starting off, it's usually best to focus on the big names like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and these days even Solana and XRP. These are the most popular because they've been around the longest and they have the highest market cap, which is essentially the price per coin times the number of coins out there. These large investments that have been around for a long time make them much safer options compared to newer and smaller coins. Bitcoin is kind of like the gold of crypto. It's been around since 2009 and it's used as digital money all over the world. People trust it because it has a limited supply. Only 21 million Bitcoins can ever exist, which helps it keep its value. Ethereum is also very important, but it's a little different from Bitcoin. Instead of just being digital money, Ethereum helps run special computer programs called smart contracts. Smart contracts let people trade things, make agreements, and even create their own new coins. This makes Ethereum super useful, and that's why so many people like to invest in it. As you start to feel more comfortable, you might want to check out other cryptocurrencies called altcoins. Altcoins are basically any crypto that isn't Bitcoin. They come in many types, each designed for different reasons. When picking altcoins, always do your research first. Look at things like the team behind the project, what problem they're trying to solve, and how well they explain their plans. After purchasing your cryptocurrencies, it's crucial to store them securely. You can use either hot wallets or cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet. Think of this like a regular wallet that you carry around. Easy to use and handy for daily spending. Hot wallets make it super quick and easy to buy and sell crypto, which is perfect if you plan to trade a lot. However, since they are online, they are a bit more likely to be hacked. It's similar to carrying your money around everywhere handy, but you have to be careful. On the other hand, cold wallets are offline wallets that don't connect to the internet. Imagine them as a safe lockbox where you store your important things. Cold wallets usually come in the form of a small device, kind of like a USB stick, and they offer the best security for your crypto. They're much harder for hackers to access because they're not connected to the internet, and many people use cold wallets to store large amounts of crypto that they don't plan on using for a very long time. It's also a good idea to use both types of wallets, keeping some crypto in a hot wallet for easy access and daily use, and store most of your crypto safely offline in a cold wallet. That way you get the best of both worlds. It's easy to access when you need it, and then you have great security for the future. Now that your crypto is safe, let's talk about how you can grow your investment. To do this, you'll need a strategy or a plan. Your strategy should match how comfortable you feel taking risks and your goals for investing. There are two main ways people usually choose to invest in crypto: long-term holding and active trading. The first way, long-term holding, is sometimes called hodling, HODL. It started as a joke from someone misspelling the word hold a long time ago in the crypto and Bitcoin world, and now it's used to mean holding on to crypto for a very long time. People who hodl don't worry too much about the ups and downs of crypto prices. They believe that crypto will go up in value over many years. This method is easier because it's one, less stressful. You're not constantly checking prices or making trades. Now, the second way, of course, is active trading. Active traders buy and sell cryptocurrencies often, sometimes several times in a day. Their goal is to make quick profits by taking advantage of small changes in prices. This method can be exciting, but it's also riskier. Active traders need to watch the market closely and make quick decisions. It takes more time and attention, but if you're good at noticing market patterns, active trading could help you earn money faster. Before you pick your strategy, think carefully about how much time you can spend on investing and how you feel about risk. If big price changes make you nervous, maybe long-term holding is better. But if you're excited by daily changes and enjoy following market trends and learning trading techniques, active trading could be the way to go. Remember, it's okay to try both methods to see which one fits you best. As long as you keep learning and making careful choices, you'll find the perfect strategy for your crypto investing journey. Before jumping deeper into crypto investing, it's important to talk about the risks involved. Just like any investment, cryptocurrency has some risks you should be aware of so you can stay safe and smart with your money. One big risk with crypto is how quickly prices can change. We call this volatility. It means prices can go up and down very fast, sometimes in a few hours or days. This might sound exciting, but it also means you can lose money very quickly if prices fall suddenly. That's why you should use money that you're okay losing. Don't put all of your savings into crypto, especially meme coins. Instead, think of crypto as one part of your whole investment plan. Another risk is related to laws and regulations. Because crypto is pretty new, governments around the world are still deciding how to handle it. Some countries might change the rules quickly, and these changes can affect the value of your crypto or how easily you use it. Security is another important thing to think about. We talked earlier about wallets because there are also risks of scams and hackers. Some websites and applications pretend to be safe, but they're really just trying to steal your crypto. Always double check websites and only use platforms that are trusted by lots of people. Finally, don't forget about the emotional part of investing. Crypto prices go up and down, and that can make you feel excited or worried. It's important to stay calm and stick to your plan, even when the market is wild. Making decisions based on emotions can lead to losing money. Be aware of the risks, and you'll be more prepared to invest safely. The key is understanding what you're getting into, keeping your investments balanced, and never risking more than you're comfortable losing. By now, you should feel pretty confident about jumping into crypto investing. We've covered everything from understanding what cryptocurrency is, picking the right platform, choosing which coins to buy, keeping your investments safe, figuring out your investment strategy, and being aware of all of the risks involved. Crypto investing can be exciting, but remember, it's also something that you should approach carefully. Start small, be patient, and keep learning. If you want to get started, you can use platforms like Coinbase and Crypto.com. They're linked below. If you use those links, you'll get $50 worth of crypto to get you started. If you've heard of meme coins and you're interested in buying any of those, check out MoonShot. I'll leave a link in the description below for that as well. You can get some free meme coins just by signing up and clicking the Claim Meme Coins link. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit like and subscribe so you don't miss any more tips and guides on crypto and investing. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.